Hey guys, so January, February is typically when we really start seeing the winter weeds come out. Especially if we have some warm days and a little bit of rain, they come right through your turf canopy and they start kind of making a mess of things. These are the ones that you will really see in April or March or April. They're really big broadleaf weeds. They look terrible. A lot of times they can get you in trouble with your HOA, but right now is when they're kind of right in the January, February times when they're kind of coming out, and we can get in control of them pretty quick. And it's also going to be very important that in February is when our pre-emerge goes down, and that'll help control the summer weeds that are going to be germinating soon. So the weeds you're seeing now are winter weeds. Those are actually controlled by the pre-emerge we put down in September. This is why it's good to be on a program for the entire year, because we kind of get the timing is very critical to control this. It's always best, more efficient, and we use less products when we are on a pre-emerge program, which for the winter weeds we put that down in September. For the summer weeds we put it down in February. So that's just a little bit of knowledge on how the weeds work, and if you're seeing them come up in the beginning of the year, we need to get in control of those now and get them taken care of before they get really big, and start throwing seeds down, and you'll have a bigger problem either later this spring or more of them next year. Thanks a lot, and y'all have a great day.